Hey guys, welcome back. If you live in the US and you're trying to figure out how to grow your money, this video is for you. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 smart investments in 2025 that can actually help you build wealth, even if you're just starting out. Tip 1. Stock market. First up, the stock market. Now, I know it sounds scary, but hear me out. Instead of picking random risky stocks, just go with index funds or ETFs like the S&P 500. That way, you're basically investing in America's biggest companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon, all at once. It's one of the safest ways to start building wealth long term. Tip 2. Real estate. Next, real estate. Yup, it's still one of the strongest investments out there. You can buy property and rent it out, or if that feels too big, try REITs real estate investment trusts. They let you invest in real estate without buying an actual house. Hot markets right now, Austin, Dallas, and Miami are booming. Tip 3. Savings and bonds. Not into risk? No problem. High-yield savings accounts are paying over 4% interest in 2025, which is insane compared to a few years ago. And don't forget us treasury bonds, super safe, backed by the government. This won't make you rich overnight, but it's a safe spot to park your cash. Tip 4. Tech and innovation. Now let's talk future. Tech and innovation are where the big money is heading. Think AI, green energy, and healthcare tech. These can give massive returns. But remember, with high reward comes high risk. So only put in what you're comfortable with. Tip 5. Retirement accounts. And finally, don't sleep on retirement accounts. If you're in the US, things like 401k and Roth IRA are a total game changer. You get tax benefits, and your money keeps compounding over the years. Start early. Even small amounts can turn into a huge retirement fund. So here's the deal, there's no one magic investment. The smartest thing you can do is diversify a little in stocks, a little in real estate, some safe savings, and of course, retirement. Which one are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs money tips in the USA.